Using the Cash App discount is a straightforward process that can help you save money on various purchases. To get started, first, you need to have the Cash App installed on your mobile device and an active account. The Cash App offers discounts through its Boost program, which provides instant discounts at certain merchants, such as coffee shops, restaurants, and gas stations. To access these discounts, open the Cash App, navigate to the Cash Card tab, and tap on the Boost option. Here you will find a list of available boosts, each representing a specific discount at a particular merchant. Browse through the list to find a boost that suits your needs and tap on it to activate it. Once activated, the boost will be linked to your Cash Card, and the discount will be applied automatically when you make a purchase at the participating merchant. For example, if you activate a boost that offers 10% off at a specific coffee shop, when you use your Cash Card to buy a coffee at that shop, the discount will be applied instantly, and you will see the savings in your transaction history. To maximize your savings, it is essential to review the terms and conditions of each boost, including any limitations or restrictions. Additionally, keep an eye on the boosts available, as new ones are added regularly, and they can change over time. By following these steps and being mindful of the available boosts, you can make the most out of the Cash App discount program and enjoy instant savings on your everyday purchases. Overall, the Cash App discount is a convenient and easy-to-use feature that can help you reduce your expenses and make your money go further.